Backward rolls. We start our backward rolls by doing just a little half backward roll. As we go down, we need our hands the same as they were for our bridge. So if you bend your arms here, if your hands are in the correct position, your thumbs are by your ears and your fingers are pointing down towards your shoulders. This is where you need them. Practice this, have a look, show somebody, see if they're correct. Bring your feet together. From there, just do a little half backward roll. So sit down onto the mat, roll back, place your hands on the floor by your ears. Let's just have a look at them here. So we need to make sure that these hands are placed firmly on there because later on you're going to use them to press yourself over. So let's do that again. So sit down, roll back, do a half backward roll and stand back up again. Brilliant. Practice that a few times. Make sure you get those hands down correctly. From there, you can then push your feet over your head to stand onto your feet to finish the roll. So sit down, roll back, feet over your head. You'll notice he stood up on his feet. He didn't at any point put his knees down. You don't want to be putting your knees down. Let's have another look. Stretch nice and tall at the beginning and stretch nice and tall at the end. Very nice. That's exactly what we want.